Hi, and welcome to Tip of the Month. My name is Malthe, and I work as a customer relations advisor here at Emply. Today we're going to look at some tips and tricks for the onboarding. Here's how it could look. Let's get started. Alright, today we're going to have a look at onboarding. At first, I like to go into recruitment, go into a job and pick a specific candidate. So here I'll pick Hans Hansen, I'll mark him and I'll proceed. So basically we want to move him into hired now. We'll get the chance to create an employee form and we'll have the chance to pick the forms and documents we want to go along with it. So I'll press start the process, I'll take him for salary and contract and I'll pick the language. So from here we could go into when we want to start the different stages. I'll have the chance to go with a date. For example, I'll go with the 9th of November if that's when we want to offer the employment. Let's say we want to go with the step that's named contract, let's say a week later on the 16th. Then we would be able to have the sign stage go immediately. That depends on what we're going to need. But basically here we could put a wait start dates to initiate. That would make it wait for the last step to be completed before it initiates it. If we put force initiation of stages on start date, that would make sure that this stage will be initiated when the date has been set. So if we press move here, we'll move him into the employee creation itself. After that, he'll be moved to the onboarding flow. So what you could do if you don't have a normal candidate process is you could create an employee and you could move the employee to the preboarding, which we recommend. We hope you found this tip useful. If you have any suggestions on what we could do next, please reach out to us at marketing@emply.com and we'll get back to you. See you next time.